Hi, Carl. Hi, Carrie. Trying your new fruit cocktail juice on Carl, Carrie? Wow, you must really like it. Somebody needs your help, Carl. You better get home right away. There's Janice. She looks terrified. What is she looking at? Something's wrong with the big wheel. It's moving, and Janice is directly under it. There are cars on that ride. If it falls, it could hurt Janice. They need your help right away, Carl. Hurry! There are so many cars here. It's hard to see over the crowd. There's Janice. You've got to get over to her, super truck. Use your horn. Move out of the way. This is an emergency. She's frozen with fear. If you can hear us, Janice, Super Truck is here to save the day. Oh no, the base is moving. Do something, Super Truck. Super jackhammer! That's incredible! Quick, the big wheel is moving again. Push, super jackhammer! You can do it! You did it! Janice, thank goodness you're okay. What's wrong with Super Jackhammer? Oh no, the crowd is panicking. They've got to calm down or the big wheel will come off the base again. Super Jackhammer needs your help to calm everyone down, Janice. Good job. You've got their attention. Everybody, stop! The base needs to be fixed immediately. Use the ST3000 gadget. Hurry! The platform is moving! It's fixed! Everyone is grateful, Super Jackhammer.
Hey!
Great job today, Super Truck. Now you can celebrate with a well-deserved fruit juice. You really love that juice, don't you?
Woohoo!
Cheers, guys.
Bravo!
Good morning, Massimo. Hi, Carl.
Maraba.
Oh, you're picking out new tire rims for your mom? Of course, it's Mother's Day. Uh-oh, it seems like you've got a special delivery, Carl. You better get home right away. The babies asked Carrie to help them make cupcakes for Mother's Day, but her cupcake machine is going crazy. It's throwing huge dough balls all over the place. It looks dangerous. Can you help, Carl?
快来吧。
Great, let's go. Watch out, Supertruck! Hold on, Carrie! Supertruck is here to help. Wow! You're like a super Carrie, protecting the babies so they don't get hit. Oh boy! Supertruck, how are you going to stop this? We trust you, Supertruck. What will you transform into?
哦，啊，快来吧。
Wow, Supertruck, you're a steamroller. That was really impressive, Supertruck.
嘿嘿。啊？啊。
Uh-oh. The machine is overheating. Do something, Supertruck, before it blows up. If you've got any idea on how to stop this madness, now's the time to take action. Hurry, Supertruck! Wow, it froze! Amazing! Phew, that was close. Hurry, Supertruck! You did it, Supertruck! You've created frozen dough and saved the day! Carrie and the babies would like you to join them for their Mother's Day tea, Supertruck. Thank you for everything you did today, Supertruck. We wouldn't be having this Mother's Day celebration without you. You really saved the day. Carrie has something special for you. Don't worry, Supertruck. Carrie didn't use any of the dough that was rolling in the street. She had some frozen dough in her freezer and wanted to make you one giant cupcake to share with your mom. Happy Mother's Day to moms everywhere. Wow, having fun, guys? That's pretty awesome! Super Spring Truck! Well, somebody needs your help, Carl. You better get home right away. Ben is stuck in the mud. Looks like Carrie is okay. But Ben is pretty stuck in there, Carl. Can you help? Great, let's go. Look, there's Ben. He's covered in mud. How long has he been in that mud, Carrie? You brought the babies to the maze and he was already stuck? Oh, Supertruck, what are you going to do? Are you going to transform? A super excavator? Brilliant! Be careful! Oh! Yikes! If you get stuck, who can we call to get you out? Careful! Pull your scoop out gently. Easy does it. Phew! There he is! You okay, Ben? That was scary. Good job, super excavator. What's going on over there? What's wrong? Just calm down. You need to pull yourself together. Take a few breaths. Your friend is lost in the maze. Okay, super excavator, can you help? Super excavator is using the radar to find the lost baby. He's pointing it here, there, and everywhere. Oh, it sounds like it hit on something.
Oh, bada boo!
Seems he's going in the right direction. Did he find something? Has he located the baby? Yes! Since you are so good at solving problems today, Supertruck, can you guess what's on the table in front of you? Open your eyes. Carrie baked you a chocolate mud pie. Thank you for saving the day, Supertruck. Enjoy it!
Oh, yeah, hey! Whoa. Hey, hey!
Minot?
Hey kids, thanks for watching. If you like Supertruck, click here to subscribe. For more adventures, click here. See you on the road.